Well, hello there guys, and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I'm Chef Christy, and I am so glad that you're watching today because I'm going to be making one of my favorites. I am making a delicious taco lasagna. Yes, taco lasagna. It is so good. This is super easy to make. It is delicious, flavorful taco meat layered in between flour tortillas and of course cheese. It comes together really quickly and it makes a good amount. So let me go over all the ingredients that you will need to make your delicious taco lasagna. So I have here 1.5 pounds of ground beef, but you can use ground turkey if you want. And then I have a 1/2 cup of diced yellow onion, and then a 1/2 cup of diced bell pepper. And then I've got, as you can see, the red and the yellow bell pepper. And then I have 2 garlic cloves that I will mince. Now I'm going to be using flour tortillas today, but you can also use corn tortillas, especially if you have a gluten intolerance. You will want to use the corn versus the flour. Then I have some mild cheddar cheese, but you can use sharp cheddar if you want. I have a cup of sour cream. I have 1 can here of the red enchilada sauce, and this is a medium. You can use mild or hot. And then I have a can of the diced tomatoes and green chilies. These are mild, but again, you can use the hot. And I have 1 tablespoon of my taco seasoning blend that I make, and I will give you the recipe to that. But you can just use the store-bought taco seasoning. Just use a tablespoon of that. So to a large skillet, I'm going to add my ground beef. I'm gonna go ahead and add my peppers and my diced onions. All right, I'm also going to mince my garlic using my handy dandy garlic press. And then I'm also going to add this taco seasoning. I'm going to add just a pinch, well, a couple pinches of salt. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my tomatoes and green chilies and my enchilada sauce. And then I'm going to add my sour cream. Okay, so I'm going to take some non-stick spray and spray the bottom of my casserole dish, and I'm using a 9x13. And then I'm going to take my flour tortillas and I'm going to cut them in half. And then I'm going to place my flour tortillas in my casserole dish. But let me show you how I do that. Just place them in like this, making sure that the edges are covered, and then one in the center. So then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to layer some of this taco meat over the flour tortillas. Then I'm going to sprinkle with cheese. And then start another layer of tortillas. And yes, I used the whole bag, 4 cups of the cheddar cheese. Okay, so now I'm going to bake this uncovered in a 350-degree oven for about 30 to 40 minutes, just until everything is nice and hot and bubbly. All right, it is that time to cut into this. Oh yeah. Oh, that is so good, guys. And the flour tortillas, they kind of like turn into noodles or something. They like soak up all the enchilada sauce and the tomato juice. This is so good, guys. And you can absolutely top this with some sour cream, green onions, sliced olives, shredded lettuce. Do whatever you want with it, or you can just eat it plain like I am today. Either way, it is delicious. Okay, this one, I really hope that you give it a try. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless, and I will see you soon with more recipes.